Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom domain within your Activecampaign account. Make sure to stick around till the end for all the steps. Let's get started. The first thing you will want to do is to log into your Activecampaign account. Once you're in, head over to the settings section. On the left hand side, you'll see an option for domains. Go ahead and click on that. Now you will see a space where you can enter your domain alias. For example, let's say you want to create a subdomain like email.crazymarketing.com, where your root domain is crazymarketing.com. You can choose any subdomain you want, like mail or even just e. Next, copy the CNAME value Activecampaign provides for you. Now go over to your hosting provider's dashboard. If you're using SiteGround, for instance, go to the DNS zone section. Here you will need to add a new CNAME record for the subdomain. Plug in the value you chose earlier, like email, and for the results to field, paste the value from the Activecampaign. Once you have added the CNAME record, save your changes. Keep in mind that it might take a few hours for the DNS settings to propagate, but in most cases, it only takes a few minutes. Now head back to Activecampaign and click on Save Settings. After that, check your custom domain URL like email.crazymarketing.com to see if it's alive. Once it's up and running, you can use this URL to access your Activecampaign account. And that is it. You have now set up your custom domain and Activecampaign. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.